Just pointing uphill right now, so ease up on the throttle just to get going. And starting off in so now I'm completely pedal mode. Okay. Alright, let's go. We'll make sure I stab it with the camera. I can't tell. Okay. Alright, here we go. Let's get that pointed down. Okay. Now we're off again. Okay, so this is, I'm turning right up a hill here. It's going to put a little bit of assistance on here. I'm going to go right here. So interesting when I let off the interesting thing is when I let off the pedal, or rather when I let off the accelerator, it doesn't give immediate pedal assist. But now it does. I can feel it now. So it's like it takes a second or two to switch over. Right, so I'm just freewheeling right now. Let's just give it a little bit of power assist. So I'm bumping up to level 2, level 3. Seems to give it an extra kick actually when I do that. And I'll go left here. Here. Let's put this up to level 5 right now. So let's just see how this goes. .5 miles an hour. I'm feeling lift up ahead. Pedaling up the hill. So I'm in pedal mode right now. I'm in 6th gear. So let's just go into. I'm just going to use the pedals. Okay, now I can entrance stick there where this is taking pictures on. lost the screen somehow. That's all the cover. I'm getting this way, but see, it's going to try. A great cover on this this phone. It wasn't set there. Because the phone is set horizontally, the cover on the phone closed. So anyway, basically from now I'll be going downhill. Let's see.